Today, we'll show you how to quickly and simply migrate your WordPress site to a new server using FlyWP. After login, the first step is adding a server provider. FlyWP supports some popular options you see here. Just pick the one you prefer, and the next step is to create servers. Before moving your live site, we recommend creating a test site on FlyWP first. This way you can check everything's working smoothly before migrating your data. Check out the top right corner for a guide to create a test site. Once it's ready, you'll get a dashboard for your test site. Now, click on the phpMyAdmin button to log into your new site directly. No need to enter your credentials. Just click and you're in. There we go. You'll see your new site on the WordPress dashboard. Let's move on to the next step. It's time to back up your live site so we can safely transfer your data. Install and activate the FlyWP Helper plugin on your website before starting. Then, install a backup plugin. We'll use Updraft Plus for this tutorial. Search for Updraft Plus in the plugin directory, install, and activate it. Once installed, go to the plugin settings and navigate to Updraft Plus Backup. Click on the Backup Now button. A new window will pop up. Select all the checkboxes. Click Backup Now to proceed. Once completed, download all the files to your computer: database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. Make sure you save all of these files to your local device for the migration process. Next, we'll import the old site's data to the new site. Since we used Updraft Plus for the backup, we'll install the same plugin on our new site. Go to the plugin section, install and activate Updraft Plus again, and navigate to Settings to Updraft Plus Backups. Click Upload Backup Files and upload each file you saved earlier. Once the files are uploaded, select all and click the Restore button. Hit Next, and your restoration process will begin. When it's complete, log in using your old site credentials. Before accessing, delete any caching plugins from the file manager to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure the FlyWP Helper plugin is installed and activated on your new site. This ensures that FlyWP features like caching, emails, and magic login will function properly. Now go to the dashboard and open the Settings page. Enter your website's name. Once done, click Save Changes. In just a few seconds, your site will be live. Finally, you'll need to verify and add a DNS record with your hosting provider. Log into your hosting account and add the server's IP address as a DNS record for your website. This step links your site to the server, completing the migration process. No worries, it's easy. Check out our step-by-step guide in the documentation for simple instructions to migrate your WordPress site to a new server with FlyWP. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.